Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So on the euro dollar, I got to zoomed out on the 1 hour time frame because I just wanted to show that everybody that more than likely we are in a pullback to the last impulsive move up. So what we have here is we have a Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up from top to bottom. You would expect most corrections to at least minimum go to the 38%, which we definitely haven't hit yet. And it could go much deeper than that. It potentially could go to the 78%. So my bias right now on the euro is definitely down. Now, if we actually get rid of this and zoom back in a little bit, now what's going to happen to get us down there? It looks to me like an impulsive move up. I would kind of assume that this is like a wave A, and this is probably actually going to drift back up more, making some sort of like an ABC shape. Then I think we'll probably likely get like a lower high, or maybe an equal high, and then push down to the 38%. So my bias is definitely down, and I personally would still be looking for shorts right now. We have to be a little bit cautious because the very high time frames are definitely still in an uptrend, but I think we need to go down to at least a minimum of the 38% Fibonacci retracement minimum before we actually continue the bigger time frame uptrend. Now we do have US dollar interest rate news this week, which I will be live streaming on YouTube for on Wednesday, and that is a really good time for a significant turn. So hopefully by then we'll be near a Fibonacci level and potentially we'll end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend around the interest rate news. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.